Pero it looked like shrimp. Frozen pa, oh. Ay, noise. Frozen pa. Ano naman ito? Oh, wow! Organic chicken.
I think it's good though. You know, their chicken's always bad.
Oh, it's still cool, mahal. Tatlo. Ang lamig pa. Oh. Mas mag-open ulit tayo ng bag dito. Ito tayo karne. Sana may makuha tayo. Sana may karne. No? Malamig na dito mga mas. Mag-start na ang ano. Mag-fall na. Malamig na. Parang may nagpa-shopping sa atin dito. Wala man naman. Puro bag man eh. Puro bag. Pero bakit mabigat? Hindi na pwede yung ano. Hindi na pwede yung ayun ito. Ah, masarap to. Oh, nice. You got donuts.
Yeah,
Oh.
no.
Apple cider donut. Apple cider. They're sealed, love. Apple cider donuts. Huh? May apple cider donuts na ito. Ano kaya ito? Yan natin ito. Mahal, ah.
They were in this box.
Oh.
Oh.
Uncured pepperoni pizza
Nice.
from Italy. Oh, this won't hurt you.
Huh?
This won't hurt you. It's from Italy.
Oh, good.
Nice. Ano to? Mayroon.
Potatoes.
Want some potato. Watermelon overnight face mask. Ang bango siguro nito. Bango eh. Gusto niyo ba ng face mask? Parang may nag-record nito. Ito yung lalagyan niya. Ayan. Ayan. Dito pa. Uy, may chocolate. Ano ba ito? Chocolate? Kala ko chocolate. New Tasters. Ano ba yan? Kala ko chocolate. Ito pa, oh. Watermelon lip mask. Lip mask daw yun. Ano pa? Bakit mabigat? Ba't mabigat? Miss Kevin? Ano itong nasa... Ano ito? Uy, ano ito? Ano laman ito? Uy! May ano? Oh, may kape. Kaya palang bigat. Uy! Ano natin? Oh, wow! Cold brew coffee concentrate. Nice! Kaya palang bigat. Malo? Cold brew coffee.
Oh, cool.
That's why.
Some drinks in here. I can't really tell.
Let me see.
Tell me.
What kind of drinks? Oh, yes! Those are sparkling water, love.
Okay, I'll go in.
You sure? Please
Yeah.
be careful. Will you get that?
I'll hand it out to you, okay?
Yeah, will you get that?
Yeah.
There seems like it has palaman on it. Okay, please be careful. I'm gonna think. I hope there's no binges. Oh, pull it out. Okay. Oh wow, that's a whole case. This is sparkling drink, limonita. Oh, nice. It's full case. Wow. Oh, some water. Oh, how about that? Oh, awesome. I think I got it.
Oh, yeah, here.
What is that? Pumpkin. Just a pumpkin. Okay. Get out now.
Okay. Let me just check while I'm in here.
Okay. Don't forget to give that thing to me.
Okay. Do you want this one?
Nah. What's in there?
It's a little heavy.
We'll open it. Maybe there's stuff. Okay. Oh, there's shrimp. Oh, old stuff. Okay. Need more light?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I have my flashlight.
Okay. Uy, look. Sana wala na bata. Tapos na tayo dito. Ito parang mabigat oh. Parang may cold stuff dito oh. Bukas bag si manay nyo. Tsaga talaga ng pamamasura. Hindi natin pwedeng punitin. Magkakalat tayo. Huh? Oh, wow! Malo?
Do you need any of these
Hala.
buckets?
Yeah, can I have one? I'll put this shrimp in here. In there. There's a lot of shrimp.
Shrimp?
Yes. Yeah, this one's same. This is a little bit. They're just the same. A lot of shrimp. They're still frozen. Oh, wow. Long way. Oh,
Nice.
nice. Oh, it's not shrimp, it's a longestino tail.
Huh?
What is longestino tail?
Long skinny tail?
Langostino tail.
I have no idea.
Pero it looked like shrimp. Frozen pa. Oh, ay, noisy. Frozen pa. Ano naman ito? Lobster bisque. Uy! Atin yung lobster bisque. Ito may biolog. Ano ba ito? Bukas na. Ang lamig ko. Ang daming shrimp ko. Wow, ka nice. May lobster pa. Ano tayo ko? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ito malamig pa. Angus beef meatballs. Wow! Yay! Kunin natin itong tinapay. Samahan natin ang tinapay. Dito na yun. Oh, may palaman. Nice! Cookie butter! Ha? Nice, nice, nice. Organic mint. Wala ka nang maggamitan ng cottage cheese. Oh, want some cottage cheese. Oh, what is that? Tomato feta soup. You want some soup?
Yeah, we try.
Why it's hot?
It's hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think that's supposed to be cold. It's warm. Oh, may cookies sila. Uy, ang seasoning. Sayang ang seasoning. Ano to? Ala, kunin ko to ah. Wala yung takip. Ang bango naman ang cookies. Wala yung takip. Kunin ko to. Gusto mo naman. Gusto mo naman. Nice. Ito kaya. Oh, what you got? Nakauna naman yung isa. Ano kaya ang kuha niya? Ay, wala. Ay, bulok na yun. Ano yan, mahal? What is that? Huh? Oh, wow! Organic chicken.
I think it's good though. You know, their chicken's always bad.
Oh, it's still cool, mahal. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Yeah, mix it with this. I brought the cooler. Yeah, it's still cool. We'll take it. Nice. Shopping. I brought the insulated bag.
Oh, good.
And we have this freezer thing. Okay. These are all finished.
You need this bag?
Yeah, we can take that. Itong donut, na-squish lang siya.
You finished with this?
Yes, sir. Opo. Ito, sama-samahin natin ito sa cold stuff yan. Sa isang lalagyan. Kaya itong bag na ito, pwede pa ito. Ay, hindi. What is that?
How about this one?
Yes. All of that. Okay. My organic red potato. Sweet potato. Ano natin to? Gagawin natin itong mashed potato. Now, thank you. Itong apple ay bulat na. Ayan, hindi ko yung gusto ko yung isang carrots. Pang Shanghai ko yung isang carrots. Itong kamote. Iwan natin yung kamote kasi hindi. I'm gonna, that sweet potato, it's not good. I don't like that sweet potato.
Well, it's fine. I just want the potato.
Yeah. I took the potato. They're mushy. Oh, wow. No,
That's the potato.
Yeah.
That's a sweet potato.
Yeah, that's sweet potato. Oh, mahal. Raspberry. There's a lot. It's a whole. You think they're still good, love? Oh, they're all. Hindi na siguro. Hindi na ano to. Kinabukasan nito, hindi na tumano. Sayang, oh. Ang spinach. Organic baby spinach. Oh, bukas. Okay lang yan. Ano natin yan. No. Because tomorrow, this is no good na. Yeah, it's like strawberry. Sayang. Hindi na pwede bukas.
It's good to be frozen. These are fresh.
Huh?
These are fresh.
Yes, it's fresh, but this is starting to wilt.
Oh.
Wilted. Wala man ata dito. Uy, may ano oh. May laman siya. Ay, bukas na. Bukas na yung noodles. Mahal oh. Wala. Ay, trimming. These are trimming. Yep. Wala. Wala. Oh yeah. May leak. They have leak. There's one leak. And the rest are, yeah, there's 2 leak. Okay. Those are no good. Maybe that one is good. Now, will you open it? Will you check it? So I can put this. Just 2. Wow. Nice. This one is no leak. I don't think there's leak on this. Thank you, Lord. Wala. Alright. Dali himpot. Hi, Mr. Bean. Uy, magulo si Mr. Bean ngayon ah. Ano ba? Uy, madaming tinapay. Oh, ay, dala na akong stick. Ano to? Ay, hit mo. Ano to? Artisan flatbread. Special 2-pack. Uy, baka may mold na. May nakita mold. Yun. Ay. May kilbaso. May kilbasa sa dulo. Hindi ko na maabot yun. Ay. Yan natin sa kabila. Hi. Uy, strawberry. Ito, ang bigat. Ito, ang bigat. Ano ba ito? Ay, patatas, oh. Pineapple. Wala, ang dami pizza. Ano unahin natin? Ano ito? Ay, strawberry. Ay, ang gaganda ng strawberry. Oh, mag-grab tayo ng ano. Mag-grab tayo. Nakukuha ko lang yung strawberry. Bulok na siya mga mars kinabukasan. Kaya bihira ako talaga kumuha ng strawberry. Pero, try natin ito. Ito tayo ng tatlo. Try natin, ha. Tapos ito naman ay pineapple, no good. Ang pineapple. Ano to? Natural butter gold. Patatas. Malamig yung patatas. Ang galing natin. Uy, may cookies. Alam, madaming cookies. Ano to? Ayun, ang kailangan ko. Kakabili ko lang ng ganun. Kasi wala na sa bahay. At Mr. Bean provided us. Thank you, Mr. Bean. At mabigat pa. Oh. Halaga, may cookies. Bake shop. Tignan natin itong tinang. Lulok yung pizza. Oh. Sausage pepperoni. Thin crust. Italian sausage. Real cheese. Laki. Ang dami. Tatlo. Ang lamig pa. Oh. Super lamig pa. Lutuin ko ito. Bigay ko sa neighbor ko. Ano tayo na yun? Long. Hoy. Oh, may meat. Malamig pa. Oh. Ito. Ay, malamig pa. Alam, Mexican pulo. Okay. Hindi ko maabot. Ano to? Ano to? Cashews. Oh, bukas na. Bukas na ang cashews. Ano ito? Uy, may gatas oh. May coconut macaron. Cookie. Ano pa? Orange siniserve lang isa. Yan. Isa-isa lang tayo. Itong gatas. Ay, bukas na. Malas na yung gatas. Bukas na ito. Okay. Hindi ko. That's a big pizza. Yeah, it's thin crust. Yeah. Huh? Is it? You wanna take it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's still cold. We just throw it today. Give that slow. This bread. Oh. Look, we just bought one.
Yeah. Is it going?
Uh-huh. Look at that. Alright. Okay, I'll put this here. This is they don't leak. So this is still cold though. Freshly thrown. I'll give a try again. Strawberry. I'll try it again.
Good luck.
Yeah, I know, but yeah, maybe I'll put it in the fridge when we get home.
Well, you know, they just never taste good because
There's no smell. Alright, tara na.
they cook them green.
What's up? Ay, come on. Ay, Diyos ko, nagulat ako. Ay, naku, kabad naman talaga. Grabing pagkain. Wala, talaga namang binuhos naman lahat. Uy, ba yan? Nasad naman ako bigla. Tingnan nga natin paano may laban. Wala tayong maligtas talaga. Man kaming dalang tot. Magdalang ako ng tot next time. Sayang. Uy. Ay, grabe. Uy, naku. Ang bad talaga nila. Ay, kuhanin ko itong letter. Grabe. Binuhos. 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 Mga cat food. Hala. Kakalimutot naman. Uy, may litter box dito. Ano na litter box ko kulay ko. Dami sa ng cat food. Kailangan ko ng cat food sa mga rescue ko. Wala man lang tinira sa box. Nakainis eh. Wala man lang talagang tinira sa bag ko. Food. Wow. This is really sad. Na-mix na sila ng cat food at dog food. Ito siguro yung sakit. Try natin save ha. Kaso hindi ako sure kung dog food ba to o cat food. Oh. Grabe na. Yan. Kunin ko itong takip. Bulong. Ayan. Kainis. Hey. Hi, Mr. Bean. Ano na makuha natin ito? Paano na makuha tayo dito? Maghanap tayo. Uy, ano yung naman ito? Ba, ano yung brush lang nila. Uy, may Halloween. Halloween sword patch. bag ng Halloween Sour Patch. Better than nothing, huh? Let's look at the other side. May mga upuan. Puno ng box, oh. Puro box na siguro. Puro box. Okay, tapos may lamesa pa. May upuan pa ditong tinapon. At least may nakuha tayong Sour Patch Halloween. Hello, Mr. Bean. Oh, wow, man. Oh my God, that's a lot. Oh my goodness.
Are they going out of business?
Oh my God, mahal, this is too many. Hello, ang daming pera, oh. Ang loko. Oh, ang daming pera. May nag-inquire parang sa akin ng mga ganito, oh. Nag-inquire sa akin. Hala, balikan ko siya.
They're still good?
Yes, they are still good. Oh, nice. Ang daming pera. Thank you, Mr. Bean. Hello, ang daming pamasko ng Mr. Bean. Alam niyo bang ang mahal nito? Naku, talaga naman puno yung bin nila ng ng pera. Oh. Nice. Hala, kunin natin lahat ito. Huwag tayo magtira kasi pera talaga to. Oh, mga golf shop, golf pride. Wow, mahal. Open that thing. Buksan natin. Buksan natin ito. Yeah. Kunin natin natin. I know, right? This is a good Christmas gift to us. I'm glad they didn't cut it. There's a lot. Oh my God. Hala. Super blessed talaga tayo kay Mr. D. Pag nag-ano tayo, nakasura. Alam nyo bang madami ko nang nabenta na ganito mga Mars oil. Ayan. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ito kailangan. Tingnan natin Ay, ito putol na to. Putol na to. Oh, sorry. That's cut. That's broken. Most of this is regular size.
Is what? Regular size?
Yes. The regular size. But we can still sell this. Oh. Ayan. Ito, ano na siya? Ano? Dented. Ang ganda ng ng grip. Ang ganda ng grip. Kasi hindi naman natin matanggal yung grip. Ayan. Alam nyo, no good, love.
Huh?
That's no good.
Why?
It's broken.
It's what?
It's broken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like that grip. This one is broken too. Yeah.
Somebody there wears a lot of cologne. This thing always reeks. Stinks.
I don't smell it.
Horrible.
I don't smell it.
No, it's like Axe or something.
Oh, this dumpster?
Axe or something.
This dumpster?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Golf Ride, KBS. Oh, maybe there's Titleist in here.
Titleist.
Titleist? Titleist, I don't know. Oh, this one has yep, adapter. May adapter to sa for Cobra adapter. balikan ko talaga yung nag-import sa akin kanina. Sabihin ko siya. Sabihin ko siya. May new stock na kami. Kasi parang may mas mahaba eh. Mahaba yung hinahanap niya sa akin eh. Okay, this one seems... Oh, no. This is clean already. This one, there just no shop. Oh, this one's broken. Double. No, not this one. It's broken. I can't reach the rest of them.
Okay.
Oops, this one is no good. Putol. Yung iba walang grape. Ay, siya. Rusty na siya. Ano, Tailor's Made. Ayan. Ang galing naman talaga ni Mr. Bean magbigay ng pasalubong sa atin. But this one, maybe. Oh, is it? We can put some of them in this box.
Hey, yeah.
What do you think? Oh, okay. What do you think? This?
Yeah. Yeah, we need some boxes.
Okay. Maybe you can grab the rest, love. Maybe you can grab the rest.
Level-less?
You can grab the rest.
Oh, yeah, I can try.
You can put it here.
Okay.
It's all away. Okay. This one is no, it's dented.
What is it?
Let me see. Look at that grip. It's weird looking grip. Oh, this one is... That is weird. It's like Super Stroke 4.
What is it?
Super Stroke.
Super stroke.
Yeah. I'm not sure if this is broken.
Take it.
But
maybe.
we'll take it.
We can always
Maybe.
throw it away.
Yeah.
I think that one might be broken.
Oh, this one is no good. Broken. Ito isa. Wala na, mahal. What you doing?
Look underneath.
Here?
Yeah. Just the top. You know, there might be
On the box.
heads.
Oh.
If they threw all this away, maybe they threw heads away too.
That'd be nice. Grabe yan. This one is overused. But they can change the grip. Oh, not really. Ano, dynamic gold true temper. It's siyempre good. That's heavy. It's all back. Oh, mahal. No, that's no good. It's rusty. This box. We can use that box to put all of those grips that we found, so it's not moving around in the car.
Yeah. Yes, please. What about under?
I don't
See?
see. No, I don't see nothing. I see trash. Wala. Wala. Yeah, we'll put the grip in here. Oh, the grip. All of the shaft. Oh.
Make sure it doesn't smell like cologne.
No, I don't smell anything. Ayan, hello mga Mars! Mag-unload tayo dito sa ating mga nakuhang mga golf shaft. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo para makita nyo na inuwi namin yung mga pera. Ayan. O, di ba? Ito ay, kung titingnan nyo ay basta, kung titingnan nyo ay, ano lang, ordinaryong stick lang siya. Ito ay, mahal po ito, mga golf shaft. Iba't ibang brand siya. Ayan, o, sobrang daming. Grabe, sobrang daming. Ang aga ng pamasko ni Mr. Bean sa atin. Kasi pag nabenta natin ito lahat, ay malaking pera po ito pag nabenta. Kala nyo, ano lang, stick lang. Pero pag, ano po ang halaga nito, mahal po yung halaga niyan. Kaya lagi namin kinukuha yung mga ganyan. Natutuwa ako pag mga ganyan yung nakukuha natin. Kasi nagagawa nating pera, makabalik ang gas natin at may pambili, may pambayad tayo ng bills at pambayad ng ating balikbayan boxes. So, ayan, mga golf shaft, may mga grip, golf pride. Di ko na isa-isahin kasi alam ko naman, hindi karamihan hindi alam yung mga sa golf stuff, you know. Ayan, so ayan, iba't ibang may iba't ibang brand yun. May Dynamic Gold, True Temper, Super Stroke, Golf Pride, kung anik-anik na lang, Tailor's Made, ayan, may Titleist, ayan, sobrang dami, ayan po. Ito pa yung iba. Ayan yung iba nating nakuha. Ayan. Sobrang daming pera. Wow. Thank you po Mr. Bean sa blessings. Pag ito'y nabenta lahat ni Bicolana, magpadala ulit siya ng balikbayan box para sa inyo. So, ayan. At ito naman yung ating nakuha na pet food. So, hindi ko kinuha lahat kasi mix na siya sa cat food. Pag pinakain mo kasi yung aso ng nang may kasamang cat food, sila po ay nagpupururot. Alam nyo na yun, nagkakaroon po sila ng diarrhea. Kaya, nagalangan akong kumuha ng nakamix ng cat food. Kasi mag-diarrhea yung aking mga aso dito. Kasi hindi naman maganda, diba? So, hindi ko alam. Siguro, tanggalin ko yung mga malalaking ganito. Yung mga ganyan na kasi yan, halatang dog food. Hindi ko alam yung the rest or dog food or ano ba. So, tingnan natin. Kung makain ng ng pusa, go. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong effect sa pusa pag kumain sila ng dog food. So, ito naman, may tatlo tayong litter box. Yung litter box ito, litter box. Ito din, kulay pink na litter box. So, ayan. So, tara, tingnan natin yung ating food na nakuha. So, ayan mga Mars, ito na naman ang ating mga pagkain na nakuha. Ayan, So, okay din, madami-dami din yung ating nakuha. May mga karne tayo. Karne. Ayan, meron tayo ng organic chickens dito. May all natural chicken. Ayan, 2, 4, 6 pack. Yung isa, niluto ko na. Ginawa ko ng adobo. Ay, tama isa, 6 pack. Yung isang ganito ay niluto ko na. Inano ko ng adobo para aming pagkain mamaya. Ayan. So, at meron tayo dito Italian, ano ba ito? San Pellegrino. Italian sparkling drinks, lemonade, ayan Ayan, so dalawa lang yung yung busted, kaya itinapon nila, so nagkalat na. Pero ayan, hinugasan ko sila isa-isa. At ayan, meron tayo ditong speculous cookie butter spread. Yan sarap niyan. Naku naman. Sa mainit na pandesal. Wish ko makakuha ng madaming ganyan para ma-share sa inyo, sa aking mga solid supporters, sa mga laging nanonood. Ayan, so ayan, meron tayo dito uncured pepperoni pizza, product of Italy, 2 pack. Ayan, at ang ating mga gulay, ayan, patatas lang yan. May red potatoes, at ito daw ay butter yellow potatoes, at may orange tayo, isang pirasong carrots kinuha ko kasi pang na din to, pang halo sa Shanghai. Diba? Sayang din. Hindi na ako bibili. Lagay ko lang yung sa Shanghai. Diba? Libre na. At meron tayong Sour Patch Kids Watermelon Spooky Mix. Ayan for Halloween. 2. At ito naman ang another pizza. Mama Cossy's sausage and pepperoni thin crust pizza. Ayan. Diba? At may cookie tayo dito. Bake Shop Bakery. Dos de Leche Sandwich Cookie. At ang ating, meron ditong marinated carniceria Polo a la Mexicana. Seasoned boneless, skinless chicken leg. Uy, chicken leg pala yan. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ang mahal, $11.32. Tapos, 22 pa yung expired. Ayan, at ito, na-curious ako. Tinignan ko talaga Sa ano? Sinerge ko sa Google bo. Google. Google. Ayan, Trader Joe's langostino. Na-curious ako. Akala ko shrimp. Siya po ay parang lobster. Asan na yun? Ayan, tinignan ko sa ano. Ano siya ay squat lobster. So, ano sabi niya? Langostino tails are sweet, tender tail meat of small crustacean. Ano? Crustacean that is not true lobster. Not a true lobster. So, parang siyang, ano siya, squat lobster. Yung tail niya. Matamis daw, ano. O, diba? Para daw siyang crab. Ay, ewan. Pero i-testing natin yan. At meron tayo dito, specially selected stone oven bake flatbread, 2 pack, at ang strawberry, diba, nilagay ko sa rep pagka-uwi namin sa bahay. Good na pa siya, Gawin ko tong strawberry jam ba? Ano, sugar-free strawberry jam. Tapos, palamang ko sa, ano ko, keto pie. Diba? At meron tayo dito, low fat pala ito. Cottage cheese, ayan, at ang lobster bisque. Pwede, may sausawan na dito tayo, yung galing naman talaga ni Mr. Bino. At ang ating kape, cold brew coffee. May coffee na tayo, may tinapay pa. At mayroon dito ang hotdog buns. So, ayan lahat ang nakuha natin. At meron tayo dito ng baby spinach. I'm not sure kung still good pa ito. Kasi, nag-wilted na siya. Nakalimutan ko siyang ilagay sa ewan. Tignan natin. So, ayan lahat ang ating naharbat. Mars. Diba? Okay din yung ating dumpster diving last night. Ayan. So, mga Mars, ayan. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Pa-subscribe and like and pa-share na din po ng aming video kung nagustuhan niyo po. Bye!